Hi there guys, this is your Chef by Chance. Today I am presenting you the beef plate steak on the grill. Just a disclaimer guys, I am not an expert at all. I am just an eager learner. In the series of steak making videos, I will be showcasing how to make different cuts of steaks in 3 different ways. For example, in this video I am showing you how to grill a steak. And in the next few videos, I will show you how to bake the steak in the oven and how to pan fry. So let's enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comments. Also check the description for the recipes of hot tomato sauce and how to make the same steak in the oven and in the pan. Bye.